At the very top and bottom of Mars, something surprising appears: bright white caps that grow and shrink over time, almost like breathing. They look strikingly similar to the icy poles of Earth. But Mars is a cold, dusty desert, so why is there ice at all? If you've ever seen images of Mars from space, those glowing white patches are hard to miss. They sit at the poles, standing out against the planet's reddish surface. It almost feels strange to see something that looks so familiar on such an alien world. So, why does Mars have ice at its poles even though it's known as a dry, frozen desert planet? The answer comes down to temperature and sunlight. Mars is much farther from the sun than Earth, so it receives less heat overall. At the poles, where sunlight is already limited, temperatures drop even further, cold enough to freeze not just water, but gases too. Mars does have water, mostly locked away as ice beneath its surface. At the poles, this water remains frozen year-round, forming a permanent ice layer. But that's only part of the story. What makes Mars truly unique is its atmosphere, which is mostly made of carbon dioxide. During the long Martian winter, temperatures drop so low that this carbon dioxide actually freezes directly out of the air, forming a layer of dry ice over the poles. This process is called sublimation in reverse, where gas turns directly into solid without becoming liquid first. As winter sets in, more and more carbon dioxide freezes, causing the polar caps to grow larger and brighter. When summer arrives, the process flips. The dry ice doesn't melt into liquid. Instead, it sublimates, turning straight back into gas and returning to the atmosphere. As this happens, the polar caps shrink again, revealing the water ice underneath. It's a cycle that repeats every Martian year, making the poles dynamic and constantly changing. In fact, a significant portion of Mars' atmosphere moves in and out of these polar caps with the seasons. You can think of it like frost forming on a cold morning and disappearing as the day warms up, but on Mars, this happens on a planetary scale. Entire layers of atmosphere freeze and vanish with the changing seasons. This also means Mars isn't as static as it might seem. Even without oceans or flowing rivers today, it still has active processes shaping its surface and atmosphere. And those icy poles? They're not just frozen leftovers. They're part of a living system, constantly interacting with the planet's thin air and shifting temperatures. So the next time you see Mars with its bright white caps, you're not just looking at ice. You're watching a planet breathe as its atmosphere freezes and returns again. A quiet reminder that even in the cold emptiness of space, planets can still have rhythms, cycles, and change. Like, subscribe, and if you've ever wondered how ice can exist on Mars, check the description for more.